Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about something funny. My first day learning English.
Oh wow, that sounds interesting. What happened?
Well, before I tell you, let's introduce ourselves first. Maybe some new friends are watching.
Good idea. Hi everyone, my name is John. I'm from the United States, from California, and I'm here to help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
And I'm Emma. I'm also from the US, from New York. We're friends and we talk about everyday things to help you learn English too. So welcome.
Yes, we're happy you're here. Take it slow, enjoy, and relax. English learning should feel good, not scary.
Exactly. So today's topic is the first day learning English.
I like this topic already. It sounds like there might be some funny stories.
Oh yeah, I was maybe 5 years old. I remember I was in school. The teacher said, say hello, and I just froze. I didn't say anything.
You froze? Like a statue?
Yes. I was like, hello? What is hello? I was so nervous. I thought everyone would laugh at me.
Oh, that happens to everyone. The first day learning a new language can feel scary.
True. Do you remember your first day learning another language?
Yeah, I tried to learn Spanish in high school. The teacher asked me, ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? But I didn't know, so I answered, I'm fine.
You said I'm fine?
Yes, and the teacher laughed. My face turned bright red. But it was okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Totally. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Right. If you never make mistakes, you never learn anything new.
I think the most important thing is to just try, even if you feel shy.
Yes, and English doesn't have to be fast. You can speak slow, like really slow.
Hello, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That's already great English.
And also, practice with someone, a friend, a family member, or us.
Yes, you can talk with us every week. Hi, friend.
Hello, you are doing amazing already.
So, Emma, why were you so nervous that first day?
I guess I was scared that people would think I was silly, that I would say something wrong.
Yeah, I know that feeling. It's normal. But you know what? People actually think it's cool when someone tries to learn a new language.
Yes, it means you are brave.
Exactly. So if you're learning English right now, you are brave.
And smart.
And awesome.
Yes, very awesome.
What helped you become more confident in English?
Cartoons. Watching cartoons helped a lot. The characters speak simple English, and I loved the silly voices.
Same. I learned a lot of Spanish from funny TV shows. It's easier to learn when you are having fun.
Music too. I sang songs even if I didn't understand the words. Little by little, I learned new words.
That's such a good idea. Maybe our friends watching could listen to English songs too.
Yes, sing loud, even if you sing very, very badly.
Like me, my singing scares people.
Oh no, the song monster is here.
Roar. You know what else? Celebrate small things. Like if you learn one new word today, celebrate.
Yes, celebrate every little step because English takes time, but every day you learn something new.
And one day, you will look back and think, wow, I can do this now. I can speak English.
That's the best feeling.
Do you remember the first full sentence you said in English?
Yes, I said, I have a cat. I was very proud.
That's a great sentence. I think my first full sentence in Spanish was, I want tacos.
Of course it was tacos.
What? Tacos are important.
True, very important.
So, if today is someone's first day learning English, what should they do?
I would say, 1. Start with hello. 2. Learn names. 3. Ask simple questions.
Like, what's your name? Where are you from? How are you?
Yes, easy, simple, useful.
And listen to English every day, even just 5 minutes.
And don't worry if you don't understand everything. Understanding comes slowly.
Exactly. It's like a puzzle. You put one piece, then another piece. One day, the picture looks clear.
And also, have fun. English can connect you with new friends and new places.
Yes, English can open many doors. You can watch movies, travel, talk to people from all over the world.
It's exciting.
So, if today is your first day, welcome to the journey.
We are happy to learn with you. You're not alone.
We're right here with you. Every step, every mistake, every victory.
So take a deep breath, smile, and say,
Hello!
hello.
You did it! That's English. You're already learning.
And next time, you will learn even more.
Before we finish, let's practice some quick words together. Repeat after us.
Hello.
My name is.
Nice to meet you.
I am learning English.
I can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
You know, thinking about my first day learning English, I'm happy I kept going, even when I was scared.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
And we are proud of you watching. Remember, the first day is the hardest, but it also means a beautiful beginning.
A new adventure starts today.
So, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking with us.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.